Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today class is about ADM assembly. How we will create ADM assembly or assembly in Civil 3D. First of all, we must understand what is inside this typical section. So inside the typical section, I see this the road, the kind of 11-meter road. Here it's this cell pass here, and the next thing again is the side slope on the both side. The first on the right side, if I see 55.15 meter, there is a slope. There is gravel for the above the embankment. There is gravel. So we are not going to the material. Just the side slope. If I check is 1/2.25, then there is a bench 5 meter with no slope or within here you can put. And then again if they did not put any slope, it's mean the same, they are falling up to the natural ground. Then on the left side, the here side slope was 1/2.25, here is 250. Then the bench again the slope, the same slope following, bench again here, and after that the same slope up to the natural ground. Because we will calculate the volume for this total fill, so we don't need this inside. I can make this one, but currently this is NGL. I will make to connect this to natural ground. Let's say this is the natural ground, so we must make a assembly for this outer line, so it will include all the backfill here, the embankment here, so we can calculate. Okay, if I come here to the profile, I made this profile. There is the top elevation, the profile grade. We can say this for this top elevation. Let's say this for this one. Then the bottom I took for the other line. If you can see here. So I will make how many ways I can make this typical section. I will try to make, but the first one is very simple method. I will make the first one is simple, then we will make this two together, this one below and this above, and then I will go to sub-assembly composer and I will try to make this in there. But first of all, if I will make this in a simple way to calculate the volume for this back filling, how I will make. So let's start this one. First of all, I will make the assembly. I will write here the name assembly, so it will be right nothing here. Use the basic here, and then we edit and let's start. Okay, if I click here, now this is my center line. From the center line, if I see here, I have 11 meter. 11 meters, so mean the right side 5.5 and the left side 5.5 meter. Because I don't calculate the thickness of the material, so I will take only this line, and then continue to the outer line. Suppose if I will copy this one, so you will understand this line, then this line also, then this one of my friends sent me this to make the assembly for that one. So today I have time to I have decided to make this because many people ask to make the assembly for the day. So if I copy this one, my assembly will be like this shape. So with connecting, this will connect to NGL automatically. So this is the simple way. First is the simplest way how to calculate the pill volume only. Okay, so I will put dimension here. I will move it a little bit, or better, I will divide the screen into two vertical. So I will not go many time after this. From here I will zoom this one, and from here I will zoom the assembly here. Okay, so first of all I will not take any from the lane. I will not sorry, take from here. I will take from here the generic, only a single line, which I can take the length, width and slope. So I will take the length, width and slope. The right side, okay, length, width and slope. If I click here and go to the properties, this is the right side. I will rename, I can rename, but okay, let's say this right side. The parameter, as I checked there, 5.5 meter. The slope, if there is slope, you can put, let's say 2% slope, 1.5% slope, this normal, or 0, you can put anything, and then apply and okay. So this side finish. Now if you can mirror this one, just click here on the left side, uh, some assembly name, put left side here, and this okay. Okay, now the slope, if I check to the properties here, should be minus, and also this should be also minus. So this one apply, okay. Okay, now the center part, this one, both side finished. Now on the right side, if I see here, there is a slope and then there is a bench, and then here. The problem is if the distance, let's check the distance from uh, here, this point to this point, this 24.5 meter, and our profile is less than 6 centimeters, at less than 2 meter. So what should I do? I will just put the condition here. The condition, if I put there 25 meter and this one, it will fall 25 meter, but I don't have the enough height here. So or I will not use exactly this dimension. Let's say 5 meter. I will suppose 5 meter. So from here, if I take 5 meter, then it will put 5 meter here, but I have less distance depth here in 5 meter. So for that I will put condition on the right side. For this condition, I will go to the conditional horizontal target. I will, there is, if, as you can see, the right side layout, no problem. The slope 1:1. If I check here, this one just put the 2.25 and it will automatically add to 1. Then the target found, there is two options, target found. If target found, then okay, if I click here, it's asking for a target found. As you can see, if target found, it will, what will happen, I will use a daylight, so it will connect suppose target found mean if it is found, it's found the natural surface, natural ground, so it will connect itself. So for that I will put here the, I will close this one, the daylight. You can put general also here, the general condition. The bench we will use in the target not found. So the daylight bench I can use this one also if target found. Let's say or you can use the direct general one, because if it is found NGL, it will connect to this. So let's delete this one and connect the general, daylight general. Click here. Okay, so for that I will go to the properties of this, and from here